guys ang pasawod sa Papa Kids. Sorry, kanina wala pa na video man. Ayan. Yes, job Maxen. Okay. Oh, bungalon yun guys. Nice kaayo. Pwede naman di malakaw gikan sa gawas guys. So dili kaayo layo. Okay. Malakaw. Napa guys sa ubos. Napa di kaayo. So, naro sila service. Mao nilang service tag Gisra, guys. Lahi ba na diya or Papa Kids diya po? Hindi ako naman din yan. Sorry. Cory is here. Hello!
Ma, dali ma. I-picture ang starfish. Oh, may starfish. Mga starfish.
Oh, that's sea urchin.
Dala
Sea urchin, oh.
Uy, tuyong kadna.
Starfish. Oh, ato, big one.
Starfish.
Ko na may mga tuyong pi.
This is Papa Kids. O, diba? Nice kayo. Woo! So, Papa Kids, na sila room, horseback riding, zipline, skybike, hamster wheel, wall climbing, hanging bridge, seesaw, and ayan, Siargao Cafe, restaurant, kayak. Let's go to, ayan, nauna ng mga anak ko. Wow, daghan og isda. Super lami. So mao nilang fishing. So low tide pa ana ang pool, salt water. Woo! Super nice. Padung kita sa bridge. Super init dahil 11 o'clock. Ang zipline. Ayan ang zipline nila guys. Oh. Padung sa horse riding. Enjoy guys, kasi grabe sobrang init. Ayan. Nice kayo. Sang place. So, maunang ilang mga house nga for chickens. Okay. Let's go. Amazing guys. Kadaghan og starfish. Nya tambukan kayo. It's so big.
See, I told you. See, I told you.
So big. Kadaghan. Oh, so nice. Tago ang isda kay init.
Mami, kan.
Ayan, nata sa Hub-Hub Cafe. Hindi ang uban. Pinako.
No fish o doon ang. Hala mga pods o. Baby frog.
Baby frogs. Tadpoles?
Yeah.
Afraid si Job. So, here we are sa bridge, guys. Padung sa ilahang Bungalon or Bukawon. Here we go. Nice kaayo. No? Punas pa man guys. Low tide. So later pa. And dagan ng fishing. A nice view sa Papa Kids. Amazing place. Oh. Nice guys ang mga cottage nila. So let's go to Bukawon area. Bungalon area. Okay, grabe daghang gikaayo og starfish guys. So as you see, mostly dito ganiya sa lower portion sa tubig. Ayan guys. Wow, amazing. Kita nyo na guys, starfish. Oh, refreshing. So suddenly, di pa kami kapaligo guys. Kay low tide pa ang pool. Wa pa tubig, kay saltwater pool man sila. So we have to wait until 11. Okay, let's go on. Wow, kan nice. Saan ang rubber? Amazing. Amazing place. Yeah, sulit man ang ilang bridge kay simentado. Yeah, this is Bungalon. So, see? Karon ko kita na siya di ay bunga, no? Yeah. This is where the place na crabs or alimango.
Look, there's a blue crab. Come on. Go to me.
A small blue crabs. There are many crabs.
What is that?
Oh,
What is that animal?
pao ng kwan.
What is that
Hello.
animal?
Yes, yes, I see that
What is
one.
that animal?
Hello. Snap.
Come here, animal. Come here, animal.
Ayan. Wow, so nice. So nice place. Let's go here. They are amazed of the crabs. Ito akong mga ka-teams. Kay sa unahan. Be careful, oh. It's broken. So actually, this is the place where the crabs live in. Bungalon. Dagan ng crabs, guys. So sa nila dagan og basura. Okay. Ato na to. Tabi-tabi. Ihi siya. Okay, here we are. Nice place, guys. Nya sa na paduwong. I think that is a secluded place, boy. Don't come up. Don't come up. No, 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 no. Ay, padung. Zipline. I see.
Let's go to zipline.
Okay.
Logging, bless it down. What?
I don't know.
I just followed that.
Mura naglasang dihati.
Ayaw na mo dira. Na wrong turn. So until here ata. Oh, so naana diri ang mga zipline di ay guys. Kana oh. See. Okay. This is the place pala. Yung bike. Later mo open. Oh, open man siya. Open man.
Mama.
Something yummy. This is my favorite. Can I have one?
Ano timakanin na?
Yes.
Sure.
Right. I'm eating Maria.
I'm sorry.
Yummy.
Oo ba?
Kuha daw. You have to take this another one. Thank you in advance. Sure, you can try.
I never had that before.
Yeah, you can try.
I can't believe there's a zip.
Mm-hmm.
Is that like sharp?
No, but it's dirty. It's yummy, you know.
Is it spicy?
No, it's sweet.
So, how is it?
You have to open it and there's like seeds in it. That's what you will need.
Is it
And it's sweet.
sweet?
Yeah.
Tasteless?
Is it weird?
It's like passion fruit. Passion fruit.
It's like sweet with like,
Sour.
yeah.
Mhm.
It's kind of.
Okay.
Oh, walang
Bakaw. Kabakawan na siya.
Lami.
Can we go back now? I'm kind of scared.
I think you're not afraid. Hang ako. Naadi ilahang kwan sa taas. There's a dam.
What is that?
Forest gining papakits di ay. Oh, naa sila mga turkey, oh, duck, dove. Kadagan og dove nila oh. Oh, it's not fine. Okay. Oh, ato daw. Okay na daw. Yeah. And go inside. Is that part of... Oh! Lahi naman na good ni. Lagoon Restaurant. By Hub Cafe. It's still part of Pakits. This one. At the top of the hill. And that one is for... Yeah. Hindi na work pa na, no? Up sa swing. Malayo na ni guys, ha? Kapakits nga niya. So noisy.
Napundo. Wee!
So, naa sila hanging bridge. Here pala ang bridge. If ganahan ka sa wall climbing ug hanging bridge, andito pala. So, kaling lapad ng papakits. It's very far na guys, no? So, naadi ilang hanging bridge. Oh, I see wall climbing. Ano ilang hanging bridge. So, daghan og dab. Oo. Mo pay man ka sa hanging bridge nila. Okay. Rock climbing. Daghan og dab. Kanay kayo di. Nami sa taas ang bukid. Oh my God, can I sit here? Okay, dab. Siginya mana. Peacock. Yeah, peacock and siginya. Okay. Yeah, I think you have to ask the permit there sa kwan. So naari siguro ang horse riding. Oh, peacock jud siya. So peacock jud siya. Wow. Kaning mga blue, mga beautiful kay mga male peacock.
Ay, dito mo, male,
Okay, male peacock.
Ang mga peacock, pag-spread sila, malupad na sila, no?
Yes.
Malupad mga peacock!
Long na
white. Albino.
That one. Hello, Ting Ting. Want me dala food? Okay, nag-spread siya sa iyang feather. Wow. Amazing. That one is siginya. Dagan mi na sa kuna niya gapang laot inig itlog. Hi, spread your wings. Show me your colors. You're beautiful, you know. Spread.
I wish I have a pet peacock.
You
wish you have a pet?
Yeah. When you When you went back to your land, you can raise peacock. I'm not a turkey, you know. Oh, so nice, guys. Ang Papa Kids. Just wait for your turn. Just waiting for the shower room. Nice place, guys. Yeah, medyo malayo yung pinuntahan natin kanina, guys. No? Enjoy na si Job. Basta yung Papa yan. Nice. Okay, iba siya na hadlok. Amazing kayo, guys. Nandito kayo yung Papa Kids. Mga teammate. Si Joe. Nahunas ang tubig dagat. Diba? Tubig ang nila water, salt water pool. Yan, enjoy si Joe. Is riding in a bike, the zip line.
What is a Japanese doing?
Yeah, they're wearing a Japanese dress.
Are they really Japanese?
No, not.
But they're having a wedding?
Yeah, they're doing a costume only. Wow. Nice. And there's someone wearing Japanese costume. But it's so far. Hindi masyado makita ang nakabike. I think sila ni Miss yan. I miss that thing. They're gone. So maura tong area, guys, ang na-zip line. There's someone wearing a pair of Japanese dress, but it's so far I cannot really capture that thing. Medyo malayo na yun nakabike. So abang naman tayo ulit. See guys, merong nagzi-zip line. Kanya ba? Yan, ang ganda. Yan, parang naglalakad rin sila. Yan. Ganda pa ng bundok doon, guys. Doon yung mga peacock na nakita namin kanina. Ang daming isda dito sa dagat. Nice. Diba? Amazing. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo pumunta dito sa Papa Kids, guys, mag-relax at mag-enjoy. Ayan. Daming adventures. Ayan. Ayan. May malaking eagle na umiikot dito. Ayan siya. Ayan. Capture ko siya. Ayan. Eagle yan guys. Nina pa siya eh. Palipad-lipad doon sa kwan niya. Sa tinitirahan niya. Nadidistract siguro siya. Kasi ang daming ano ngayon eh. Ang daming tao dito. Ayan. Nakarating na sila doon. Oh, ang ganda doon guys. Ganda pag morning siguro no, hindi masyadong mainit. Ayan. Ay, grabe, amazing. Oh, si cucumber for the first time. Oh my god. I would like to feel that one.
Gunita ninyo, di lagi. It just feels like a slimy fish. Gunita ba? Gunita ba?
Slimy kayo. So friendly.
Dalawang dig cucumber na, pa isa dito.
Let us put it back. Are we allowed to take this one? Here?
Ano niyo?
No, let me try. Are we allowed?
Di man guro.
Hindi na siguro.
Pwede na kaya naman.
I think ay na mag-fishing.
Pwede na guro.
Pero kung maninila siguro ayaw na lang. So, let me put it back. Just want to hold that one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, amazing! For the first time, naka-hold ako. Ah! Loko! Kilig-kilig ko. Kilig-kilig. Sorry. Sorry, we don't harm you, okay? Oh! Oh, cute nila. So cute. I think they are scam. I think they are scam. Yeah, oh. Buhi man
Diba
siya.
design na no? Design na ni?
Dili, uy.
Tinoon
Oh,
siya?
it's wavy. Oh.
Basta ang commercial design kay parehas lang now.
I don't think so.
Same size po.
Nagkupot man siya. Nagkubot man, oh. Nagkubot. Diba, oh.
And there are many shells.
Yay! Si cucumber. So cute. Kita ko sa uban kay ginabaligyan lang si cucumber niya. Niya gamay pa kaayo. Niya mahal kaayo.
Exotic one daw.
Ang uban kay irang na papihakon tapos kukaon na tong gikaon niya ba and then they fry it.
Ang skin ikan.
Oh.
Nasa ko makita sa mga Chinese herbal shop.
Oh. Niya mahal kaayo. I think ilahan na di ginakuan, ginabreed. I think it's not allowed to take this one. Ay dagko.
Nako yawa.
Wala.
Tulo.
Kid.
Nasa sa ilang sa
Just kill it.
Niya da. Naapa oh. Niya kadaghan.
Smash it.
I think they have shells here. Talaba. Oh, see? Talaba.
Trendy ko ang scratch see that kay it's hiding again.
Yan na. Dagan og talaba og sea cucumber. I think they na-breed na din nila. Pero na magapang fishing. Basi fishing lang. Pero it's not allowed to take. Ano. Buhi yun siya. Kay ni ana man siya oh. Dili lagi scam. Dagan og sea cucumber no. Yan. Ay. Ang cellphone. Di ko makontrol ang slipper kay baga kaayo. So nice. Oh. Tapakan mo siya. Ayaw. Kaya maapakan mo. Si cucumber. Ayan, dagan sila, oh. Nice.
That's what I said.
Lato.
Ala to.
Mga onta.
I dare you.
No.
This is the same thing you eat in
Beh.
Litain na si Kuya ko Bernardo.
Okay na. Video siya. Okay na, picture. Ang cloud sa layo kay Kilamit. Pas ka? Ay, perfect. Okay, we're done. Bye-bye. Yeah, nice.
Oh, I swear the urchin dito naatay ka ng kuan glitter ug mata. Glitter.
Ay, dako kayo og spike sang si Orchin. Yung gamay pa man siya. Kadaghan og si Orchin. Okay.